Hey beautiful people, we are at another property. This house is 1,800 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths. So we have a bathroom here, and then we're gonna have another one all the way down by the master bedroom. This builder is actually offering, I believe it's $12,000 or $13,000 in closing cost credits. And then also they're buying down your interest rate for FHA to 5.5%. So this is definitely a reasonable price home compared to the other ones that's in the area. So if you guys like this, definitely call me. Phone number is 407-374-2747. So I already did a tour of another home that they have that's 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths. So if you're interested in that one, definitely let me know. Now here is one of their bathrooms, but this is just a build. This is just one of the models, so they don't have the actual tub and shower in here, but you will have an actual tub and shower in here. So you guys can kind of see like the layout and where it will actually be. And this is one of their express models, meaning that you guys will have appliances included. So that is something that you guys would definitely like to know. This one actually will have appliances included. Now, somebody is actually, you know what? This is a 4-bedroom. Got to be a 4-bedroom. This is actually a 4-bedroom, not 3-bedroom. Somebody's actually in there right now, one of their sale agents. So I can't show you that one. She's on the phone. But I forgot you do have that one. So this is actually a 4-bedroom. And then you have the laundry room here. So this will be your laundry room. And then here is your kitchen. Let me show you guys the kitchen. So kitchen, dining room, and living room all the way together. So everything is all in one. So open concept. I really like this. This one very open for you guys. Dishwasher, stove, microwave is not included. So you guys will have to get a microwave. Also, you have the fridge. Let's check out the closet. So this is where you'll put all of your food. And again, here's another look at your kitchen. I love that mirror there. You guys will also have a decent sized backyard. You guys have the lanai. I do suggest that you guys get some type of net on here, something to keep the bugs out. But you guys will have this, like you have the outlet switch out there. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can go out here. Some of them have them locked. Yeah, this one is locked too. Okay, so we can't actually go out there, but nice feel. The highway is like 5 minutes from here, so you guys can get to Disney faster because you're very close to the highway. So that's something that you guys would love to know. You guys will have the smart home. So smart home is going to be with the Ring doorbell. You guys can also connect your, what's her name, Alexa? You guys can connect her also. And then I have mine on my phone, so if I get anybody open a door or anything happening, I'll know right through there. And then you can see it's a camera on there too, which is really good. And I could just change the temperature from the bed, which is something I really love. I love to just change the temperature from the bed instead of having to get up. But here is that master bedroom, you guys. Let me know if you guys like this master bedroom. I like the light that's coming in here. I definitely like the light that's coming in here for sure. You can see right here, you can really, from your room, you can see a lot, which is something I like. And then here is the master bathroom. So you guys have an extra space down there. You guys have the shower here. You guys have your closet space here. Your toilet is here. This is actually a decent sized closet. And it looks like you guys have a bonus closet too. Yeah, this is a nice size closet. It's a nice size closet for sure. Okay, you have more storage space here. Maybe, ladies, y'all let y'all husband have this one. Y'all take that one, okay? No, I'm joking. Whatever y'all want to do. But y'all have that extra space. And a lot of space down here to put your things. It's really nice. Oh, it makes it brighter too. It's more lights. Actually, that's a light for the shower, I believe. Yeah, I like that. So you can just have the shower light on too if you just want to take a shower late at night. I have that same thing in my house. I love it. And then too, you have your vent. So that is really good. So yeah, this is the master bedroom. I love the light that's coming in. Okay, like I said too, if you guys like this one, definitely let me know what do you like the most about it, and then you guys can call me at 407-374-2747. It's very open, like you can literally sit right here and like see everything and see even who's coming through the door. Like, who is that at the door? I really like this. This is very chill, and this is very reasonable in terms of your price. The price is very reasonable. I would actually mount the TV though, but this is very, very reasonable. And then get you some nice bar stools and put them right there. You can pick which ones you want and put them there. And this is really nice and chill. And I believe they said too that you can actually get the towel to come and not have carpet right here too. I believe they said that. But I guess if you guys very interested, just call me, text me, and then I'll be able to confirm that information with you guys. I'm not sure if we actually looked at this closet, but you guys have the closet space too for when your guests or anybody, you can put stuff right here, and then you got another closet like right here. And this is a very new community. They're still building over here, so that is really good. That means you're going to be early into the community, and that means that you can possibly get you some sales. So there it is, you guys. That's everything. And like they're still building those homes that's over there. So let me know if you like it. Phone number 407-374-2747, and I'll be sure to give you details on this one and other ones, because there's other builders too that's giving up to $25,000 and that's willing to buy your interest rate down to 4.25 for some and 4.75 for FHA. And then I have some that's USDA, which means no money down. So let me know. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.